Good day, Pinoy Clicksers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. For this video, we're going to look at the last batch of prizes we got for Notionals 2023. Let's go! Okay, so we have here 3 items that we were able to win from the Notionals 2023 event in the Philippines over the last weekend. Okay, so you can see here we have 2 exclusive figures, Brainiac Lex Luthor. I actually won Kate Pride in a raffle, the exclusive Kate Pride, but I traded her for Brainiac Lex Luthor from Larry. Okay, so because I already have her, and I used to have Brainiac Lex Luthor, but I gave it to a good friend of mine, Heinz, so I'm happy to have him once again. Okay, the other exclusive figure is of course the promotional figure of Samurai Spider Gwen. Okay, so we'll take a look at the figures for a while, but the third item is the Scott Crampton Bystander. Okay, I won this as part of the raffle for that particular event. Okay, so happy to win the bystander because this is only given to, if I'm not mistaken, the finalists, the champion and the first runner-up. Okay, so being able to win via raffle is awesome. Okay, so you can see Scott Crampton here has the 4 range, 4 movement, all force, attack, defense, and damage. Also points, 4 points. You can see the standard powers of stealth, force blast, toughness, and enhancement. Okay, so at the back you can see he is 4 points with the keywords gaming club, detective, and podcaster. Okay, and you can see that it's also assigned bystander, so it adds more value to this particular pog. Okay, so and he has a trait, critical clicks. Scott Crampton only deals damage as a on a critical hit. Okay, so and again it's that kind of makes sense because for attack would only tend to hit on a critical hit. Free, make an attack. If Scott Crampton is adjacent to a friendly character, lines of fire drawn to him are hindered. So that works really well with his stealth. Okay, so I guess with or without hindering, as long as he's adjacent to someone, he cannot be targeted at range. So critical clicks, you can see the logo here, and this is a 2023 bystander -001. Okay, so I've already protected him with a token protector. Okay, so he is good to go in our future games. And let's open up the other 2. Okay, so we're not gonna take a look at Lex Luthor because we've already done a review of him, if I'm not mistaken, before when we got him for the first time. Okay, but we just want to confirm whether the figure and the character cards are inside. Okay, so you can see the curvature in that character cards. You can pause the video if you want to read up his stats and powers. Okay, but he is 150 points of pure power. Okay, so let's take a look at the sculpt. He is leaning a little, so that's something that we hope to fix. Okay, so we'll probably try to use him for our games and or trade him for an X-Men related figure. For now, okay, let's put him on top of the box. Okay, side by side. Okay, let's go to the last one. And as we did with Lex Luthor, we just want to confirm whether the figure is in good condition and if the card is inside. Okay, but we'll try to take a closer look as well with... Okay, it's a bit hard to get him out. Okay, there we go. Okay, and the character card is here. You can see the sculpt, awesome sculpt with the sword effect swoosh, very visible. Okay, and this is the era of small sculpt, so you can see yeah, they're not so big, but the details are still amazing because again they are promotional figures. So let's take a look at Spider-Gwen. MP17-005, way back 2017. Spider-Man family, armor and warrior keywords. Gwen Stacy, she has a trait I can still hear through the helmet. Spider-Gwen can use combat reflexes and super senses. And a special attack power, super sword swinging chop. Spider-Gwen can use Blaze Claw's fangs when she does and hits. She can use sidestep and improve movement, destroy, blocking, and ignore character this turn. For 65 points, she starts off with a charge, that's special attack power, 17, invincible, and 3 damage. I would have loved it if the perplex is on the first click or the props on the first click. And you can really see it's an older figure because you see a damage of 9 still. Okay, an attack of 9 still, which is usually not the case in modern. Okay, so 17, 15, 16 defense values that will not fly in modern. Okay, but there she is once again, Spider-Gwen, Samurai Spider-Gwen. Okay, so that's it for this particular video. Very happy with the hauls that we got, prices that we got from Notionals 2023, and until the next Notionals tournament. Bye bye.